Hello, I am Alice. I will patiently listen to your questions.
Help me create a training plan that suits me.
Warm up for 20 minutes today based on previous training. You can jog slowly, then spend 30 minutes in the gym, and finally do relaxation exercises for 20 minutes.
Thank you for your guidance.
Icetime Watch A1 is the world's first smartwatch that uses dialogue with AI digital humans to tailor personalized fitness plans, healthy recipes and entertainment. Apart from making phone calls, the smartwatch supports the installation of various software applications, such as Spotify and Audible. You can directly play the sound from the smartwatch or connect Bluetooth headphones to listen to music while exercising.
Alice, tell me about the specific fitness plan for today.
Based on your sleep yesterday and fatigue level today, I recommend today's strength training to be 3 sets of 8 reps of squats, deadlifts, lat pull-downs, and shoulder presses.
During your workout, guidance videos are provided on your watch to ensure your posture is correct and your exercise is maximized. The personalized fitness guidance in the watch is simulated and coordinated by multiple professional fitness trainers, ensuring that users can receive the most scientific and personalized guidance in every workout. Through advanced sensors on the watch, Alice can collect your health data in real time. These data will be handed over to Alice's fitness and medical model for analysis, in order to detect any abnormal physical conditions in advance and reduce the occurrence of sports injuries and sudden illnesses. Icetime Watch A1 is equipped with Google Play Store. The watch comes with a variety of pre-installed software applications, including music, video, social media, stories, and games. During rest time after exercise, you can browse social media, listen to music, and listen to stories. The watch works with Google Maps to provide more convenience and navigation features for sports activities. Whether running or cycling in the city, or hiking and exploring outdoors, the watch can help better plan routes, track locations, and provide real-time navigation.